Hello, myself Ashwin Baral and my partner Saurabh Gupta. We both are KIT third year students. We are participating in Kshitij this year in Embetronix.
Our parking lot consists of two modules, entrance module and main module. The entrance module contains three switches, three binary switches, one enter switch and a LCD and microcontroller. These binary switches are used to input the data from the user. From pushing these binary switches, the microcontroller just reads the status of the switch for entering the data. Now let's come to the function of first this entrance module. This entrance module has when a user comes to the entrance module, it has three modes. First two are for the slot allocation and third is the admin mode. For the admin mode requires a admin password that is to be entered by the user. That after matching the admin password, user has three choices. Administrator has three choices. First, to shut down the module. Second, to reset the module, and third, to obtain information about the vehicle in a slot, i.e., from which time it is standing there, and its ID that is alerting at the time of entrance. Now let's come to the first two modes of operation. First mode, if user enter first mode, then it is given the first empty slot. The nearest empty slot is displayed on the screen along with the ID. ID is a unique number that is given to every vehicle while entering, and it displays on the screen when the vehicle leaves out. So if the user agrees with the slot, then it has to press enter within 5 seconds. Now let's come to the mode 2 of operation. In mode 2 of operation, all the empty slots are displayed on the LCD, in which user has to select one slot. After selecting the slot, the selected slot and the ID is displayed on the screen. The user has to press enter if it agrees within 5 seconds. That is the main working of the entrance module. If any of the vehicle leaves out the parking lot, then it also displays the information regarding the slot. The information regarding the vehicle means from how much time it occupied the slot, can be used for billing purposes, and its ID and from which slot it is leaving. Now let's come to our main module. Main module stores all the information regarding the ID, which has stored ID, time of the main module stores all the information about the slots, means slot, the vehicle, the ID of the vehicle stored in the slot, from which time the vehicle is standing there, and continuously checks the status of each slot. If any of the vehicle comes out of the slot, then it transmits information regarding the slot, means from how much time it is standing there, its ID, and from which slot it is leaving. And if any of the vehicle comes in the slot, if any of the vehicles occupies the slot, then it checks whether the vehicle comes in the assigned slot, and assign the ID and time from which the vehicle comes, starting time of which the vehicle comes. That's all. There is a defect in our LCD, so we are unable to show the operation of all what we have described about our circuitry.